it's Friday today, and well, actually it's Friday 13th today. Okay, so we have started our project with disassembling most of the server units that we had from the client that I want to IP destroyed, and this is what we recovered. So we've got server motherboards with actual CPUs in them. We've got various cards, we've got various power supply units, we've got RAM, got these cards that we have no idea what to do with. They seem to be related to the particular server, so we'll see if we can extract some value out of it, and hopefully it doesn't need to go to recycling. What's going to be the next step is we'll evaluate everything, we'll see if we can get the prices for them, we'll try to sell to recover some of our costs that we spent collecting the stuff, disassembling the stuff, doing the data security and everything. So if anyone needs any server components, drop us an email, let us know, and maybe we can help you.